So in the last section, we created a schema.sql file and wrote some SQL commands. But as we know, that doesn't really do anything. We actually have to paste these commands in to our actual database command line tool. So let's do that now. Let's first open the PSQL shell. So just go in the PSQL folder and click on the PSQL shell. It's downloaded and installed for you automatically when you install PSQL. So if you haven't logged into the shell at all, your screen might look different from this. Just follow the instructions and set up the default username, password, and host you have, and leave everything default. But if you've already signed in and set up your account, your PSQL shell will look like this. So go ahead and just log in as normal to the PSQL shell. So the very first thing we have to do is actually create the database. And this is very simple, just to create database and then mydb and semicolon. If done correctly, you should see create database displayed to the screen. And now we have to connect to this database. So just do /c and then mydb. And just to note, whenever you see commands such as / and then lowercase letters, that means it is a PSQL specific command. Whenever you see capital letters like create database, that is an SQL query. So / means PSQL command and capital letters means SQL query. So now we're connected to the MyDB database. And the very first thing we can do is /dt. And this will, if we had any, this would give us all our lists of tables. And because we don't, and this is a new database, we see did not find any relations. So let's add some tables to this database. So let's go back to our schema.sql file and literally just copy the create table commands and just paste them into the PSQL shell, like so. And also make sure that you're seeing create table after each query. If not, you may have made some error. And the most likely error is that you didn't include the semicolon. And if we run the /dt command now, we do see, yes, all three of our tables are here. So it was successful. Awesome.